It doesn't look too fancy, but I think it'll do the trick. I built it up quite a bit and just put a whole bunch of zip ties in there and melted them and kind of went back and forth to kind of smooth it out the best I could. But you can see there's quite a bit of difference between the buildup that I did over here and the original plastic there. It was cracked all the way along there. Quite a bit of buildup, so I think and I hope that we're going to be okay. It was only cracked to about right there, but I melted it, put some zip tie stuff all the way back along there, and what, 2, 4, 6, 7 or 8 zip ties I used. So there you go. Peace out.